today I'm going to give you a basic tutorial about the Vicidial. So let's click on the administration. We have to give the password. Okay, we are in. Okay, so on the first page where we are just landed, you can see a basic information about your server, like how many agents logged in, how many agents are in call currently, active calls count, okay, call ringing count, and the basic information you can see over here. If you click on the report section, it will give you all the reports that can help you to get the exact details of the scenario. So you can see the real-time main report from here. If you click that one, it will show you the real-time dashboard, that how many agents are logged in, how many calls are getting. Okay, so all these things will be appear over here. This is also the same report but campaign wise. If you click that one, you can see that. You can select the campaign name over here. If you click it, then the same report will be shown over here. So this is the real-time reports. This is the agent reports, like agent time details, status, agent performance details, all the details you can see over here. And obviously this is your server IP address. You can also see what is the current load of your server, how many channels, how many agents, what is the current capacity of your server. You can see over here, and the server time also. So let's go to the user. This is the user listing. You can see all the users that are currently active in your system. So you can create from here, add a user. So let's suppose you wanted to create a username 1003. You can put any password. So pray. You can put the name over here. So let me put Joe, and the user level will be 1 because this will be an agent. So if you wanted to give him administration password, you can put from here like 7, 8, 9. So then submit. The agent is now created in your dialer. You can copy a user from here, like if you want to make all the details over here and you wanted to copy same configuration that you did on the other user also, then you can copy from here. Then the campaign over here, you can see what is your campaign. You can create from here, add a new campaign. So suppose I wanted to create a campaign with campaign ID 1000. You can get any campaign name, let's say Joe. If you wanted to give any description of your campaign, you can provide over here. Then we have to change this. This is the minimum hopper level. What this thing does is, when you are uploading a lead to the dialer, it will borrow some lead from there. Okay, then it will dial, and it going to do again until the lead in your list is completely finished. So you can set the count, like how many leads it will pull up from that particular lead. So if you are having 10 to 15 agents, then I should recommend 500. Then you can select the auto dial level. This will control how many calls are getting dialed by this dialer at the moment. So you can choose from here. You can increase this number also. I will show it later how we can do that. Right now it's only till 4, but you can increase it. Then next call agent. What this function does is, when the dialer is throwing calls, it will suit the call to those agents who are waiting for this one. Suppose let's say oldest call finish. So what it will do, it will throw the first call to that particular agent who is not getting call for a long time, or his call disposes at the last. Or you can select this one also, longest wait time, which is wait time is high, it will throw the first call to this agent. You can select the time over here, in which time duration your campaign you want to throw call in your campaign. So you can select over here, then submit. There are a lot of settings here. I will make a separate video for those because there are too many, but you can do one thing. You can always, if you wanted to know what this things does, is you just have to click the question mark box and it will give you a brief description what this particular function does is, because there are a lot of these things. Okay, so you can add the status over here, hotkeys. There are other features also. You can add your postcode when your if you want to put a reason when the agent will going to be on break, so they can select from here. Then the list. From here you can upload the list by adding a new list. I have already made a video on this topic, how you can upload the lists. You can check it on my channel. Then search for lead. Over here you can search for any phone number details like call recording and which time that call went through, and all the basic details you can see from here. You can add a script for your agent over here. You can put the script over here. Filters, you can add a filter, like suppose you wanted to block inbound calls. Here you have some certain number that the customers are keep calling you, so you can block their number from here by adding their number. It will create a filter ID in the MySQL, so those numbers will not be connected to you. This is for the inbound. You can create the inbound settings over here, like inbound group, DID numbers, call menu, and the filter phone groups. You can do that. This is the user group. You have a group for admin, so those person will be inside this group. They will have admin access. So obviously you have to create a new group for the agent. So you can just click over here, add a new group, then give any ID like agent. You can just give any description, submit. So the group is now created. So what it will do, you can create all the agents on this group, on the admins on the admin groups. This is the remote agent for press one campaign or the survey campaign. You can create from here, and the admin section. Okay, this is a bit crucial. So we have to make sure something that these options are very important. This will change the dialer settings. So suppose suppose we want to check the call times, shifts, phones, template, carriers. So we can change it from here. So we have to go to the servers, server ID. We can see the details over here, that how many live channels, system load, each and everything. What is the asterisk version? I'm using the latest version, Vicidial 11. So the asterisk version comes with it is 16.30.0. So you can check over here. Make sure we have to make one changes over here. This is the recording limit. So this is the 60 minute, means only 1 hour call can be recorded by the Vicidial. When the call length cross 1 hour, the call will be disconnected. So make sure you make it as per your convenience. I'll do it 120 for 2 hours. Then submit. There are other things also, like system setting. You can check over here all the details. This is the auto dial limit that I just shown over here. It was till 4 in the campaign, so you can make it till 1000. So let's take it to 10, I believe. Then just submit. Okay, you can check the SVN version, that what is the SVN is currently running, and the basic details of your dialer. What is the root path of the VC dial over here, and the basic details you can see over here. So thank you for the video. In the next video, I will be showing how you can create the DID and the inbound campaign.